go. Woo! Guys, look at this bridge. We made it, babe. It's go time.
Is it on still?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm just letting idle. Beautiful Skyway Bridge. Donnie!
No.
Shane, the photographer. Oh, the 325. They're coming. We got a half a mile worth of skis. Brancel! What's up, B?
Let's go, baby!
Let's go! Skyway Bridge. Beautiful up there. Guys, this is what it's all about. Some of these riders have never got to experience this. Something special about being underneath that Skyway Bridge. From the water, it is, you just got to experience it. But for now, you get to join us through this lens right here. Let's go. Cruise family! Woo! Let's go! Miss Soraya, high five. Ooh, another Skyway. You've been here before. This ain't nothing new to you.